Hi and welcome to another episode of Know Your Hair by HADDAI. In this episode we are going to talk about hair toppers. So right now you can see my hair is dark black. I haven't changed my color. I'll just put on a hair topper, which I will take off for you now and show you. It's very easy to do. It has clips on it, and this is the hair topper. As you can see, it's 100% human hair and it's black in color. It's called color number 1. It's natural straight hair, and this is the cap. So you can see there are 4 clips here that we attach it with, and there's a monofilament base, a monofilament perimeter rather, and a lace base. So you can use it for any type of like receding hair or total or partial hair loss or thinning hair in the crown area. Hair toppers can be used to cover all of this. So when you get one, if you have hair, a certain amount of hair, you can go in for a clipping system. Otherwise, like this one where we have attached 4 clips, you can attach more clips if you like to. And otherwise, you can go in for a taping or glue method if you have no hair at all. This one is a cap size 10 by 8, which is a rather large cap size, so it comes somewhere over here, and we have the largest size 11 by 9, and it can be custom made to any way you want it, like example whether it's wavy hair, curly hair, if you want highlights or lowlights. It's 100% human hair, so you can do whatever you like with it. And also, if you notice the parting here, it shows a very natural center parting, and it looks like your scalp. Now this is a free part topper, which means you can either part it to the left or to the right, side part, middle part, or comb it back. There are some toppers that come with certain parting. It will say a middle parting or a side parting, but in the toppers we do at HADDAI, most often we do sort of any part if you want to create any part in your hair. So with this you can see that there is enough of volume, so you don't need to use extensions after you use a topper like this, because there's more than enough volume to add for your length. And now this is a 20 inch, so you get the shorter lengths and colors as well, and different kind of textures. So this can be used by anyone looking to cover baldness in the crown section of your head, like where you are able to cover more than 75% of your head with a topper this size. You get the smaller ones that are like 4x4, 5x4, 6x8, 7x9 and so forth, which you can use. It's very natural and undetectable. There's no cap line visible anywhere, and you can cut it and style it any way you want. So next time you're looking for something and you don't want to go in for a wig, you can go in for a hair topper like this. As you can see, the cap size, the hair, the volume is very good and thick, so you don't have to go in for any other extensions or anything like that. And it covers maybe 75% of your head, and the base is natural. It's very easy and lightweight, so it's a very good option for those who don't want to go in for a hair wig but want to have the same type of like something easier to use and manageable, and also with the same quantity of hair, volume of hair, etc. So at HADDAI we have this in various sizes. We of course do a consultation with you beforehand to decide if you're going in for clip-ins or tape-ins, or whether we are going in for a glue method. You can always feel free to contact us and come and see us, and then we will advise you on what method is most suitable for you. I hope this was helpful to you today, and if you have any queries, please contact us. We'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Bye.